All right, let's take a look here at pre-calc team test number 1112, number 3. See, we had a little issue with this one in class. Mel has been adding money to her new son's bank account every year since he was born. Being all about addition fun, she developed an arithmetic series to decide how much to deposit. When Alex checks the account, he has $121,000. Alex knows when he was 5 years old, she put in $2,900, and when he was 12, she put in $5,700. How old is Alex now? All right, so we know, I liked when I saw these labels, we know that A5 is 2,900 and A12 is 5,700. I like that. And then I saw a lot of average rate of change. So 5,700 minus 2,900 all over 12 minus 5. And no one had a problem saying, all right, it looks like she probably added $400 to his account. $400 more to his account every year. So then we could kind of extrapolate that. When he was 6 years old, she put in $3,300 and so on and so forth. Good. So in an arithmetic series, 400 is my D value, my common difference. Then the equation that I guess most people used would have been AN equals A1 plus D times n minus 1. So if I want to find A1, I put in A5 equals A1 plus 400 times n minus 1. And then my A5 was 2,900. I'm looking for my A1. And it has added 4 times. So if I subtract the 1,600, my A1 has to be 1,300. So in his first year, she put in 1,300. In his second year, she put in 1,600. In his fifth year, she put in 2,900. So that helps. Now that I know what A1 is, I can solve my equation for n. 121,000 equals, n is what I want to know. How many times? Times, my arithmetic series is the first term plus the last term. So the question was, I've got an an and I've got an n. How do I work this equation? And then people took this equation and put it in there, which we did in class. We're going to end up needing a little bit of a quadratic formula, I think. So 1,300 plus 400 n minus 1 and now I can start solving this guy. I saw a lot of people tried to multiply the 2 first. I like that. 242,000 equals, I can add these two 1,300s. I'm going to leave that n outside just for a second. 2,600 plus 400n minus 400. I like the idea of combining these two together. 242,000 equals n 2,200 plus 400n. Now I'm going to multiply the n through, subtract the 242 over. 0 equals 400n squared plus 2,200n minus 242,000. And then if I quadratic formula that, I get x equals 22 or x equals negative 27.5, which doesn't make sense. So for my quadratic formula, Alex must be in his 22nd year.